Here is an example of a basic program. So if you look at it, it says until touch. Once the touch sensor is pressed, it's going to start the motor. Then it's going to stay on for a certain amount of time, and then it's going to stop the motor. Now I need to go in and replace the black text. So for right here for the wait time, I'm going to change it to 5. For my speed, the maximum speed is 127, so I'm going to use that for right now. Now the sensor port and the motor port, I don't know yet. I have to go and set them up. To do that, you're going to go up to Robot, and you're going to go to Motor and Sensor Setup. When this opens, you have different options. There's motors, analog sensors, and digital sensors. Now, digital sensors are any sensors that have a yes or a no. It's a light that's on or off, or a button that you can press or not press. So if you look here, it shows you what kind are listed there. Analog sensors are ones that have more than 2 readings. For example, the potentiometer, where you could turn it to 100 or you could turn it all the way to 1,000, depending on what you would like it to do. And then over here, we have our motors. So to start off, we're going to hook up our motors. Now we have to make sure that these ports match where it's plugged into. So right now on my test bed, I have my right motor plugged into port 2. So I'm going to put RM for right motor, and then I'm going to go over here and choose the motor type. And on the motor, if I look at it, it says VEX 393 motor. So I'm going to choose that. Then I'm going to hit apply. Then I'm going to go over to my digital sensors because I'm also going to be using a touch sensor, which is actually right now plugged into port 3. And that's going to be my limit switch. So I'm going to put an LMT for limit switch. And then I'm going to go choose it as a touch sensor and apply that one. Once I have all of my things filled in, I will hit OK. Now to see the names, you can see they pop up on top. And right here, it gives me the abbreviations that I use. So if you ever forget what you used, you can scroll up to the top of your program and see that. Then I'm going to go back down here, and for my sensor port, I need to change it to what I just set up, which was LMT. Now my motor ports were both going to be RM because I want to start and stop the same motor. Once I have that, I can go up to Robot and hit Compile Program to see if I have any errors. And as you can see down here, there's no errors. If there is, you need to go back and change it, and I can see all of the black text has disappeared.